morning, students. Now we are talking about coordination compound. It is unit number 9. And in previous class, I have already told you about coordination compounds. That what are the coordination compounds and how they behave. Today, we will talk about Werner's theory of coordination compounds. Werner's theory of coordination compounds express that the central metal atom expressing two type of valencies. First one is called as primary valency and second one is called as secondary valency. Primary valency of central metal atom express its ion of any coordination compound, it express its ionic nature, that how more positive or negative charges are present in complex compounds. While secondary valency express number of coordinate bond, how many coordinate bonds are expressed by the molecules. Coordinate bond is made by ligands attached in complex compounds, so that is coordination compounds. Such as some of the examples are given here. Cobalt trichloride, cobalt trichloride, cobalt trichloride and cobalt trichloride. All are cobalt trichlorides that express cobalt attached with 3 Cl atoms. Cobalt attached with 3 Cl atoms and 6 ammonia molecules, 5 ammonia molecules, 4 and 4 ammonia molecules are attached in all these compounds. These both compounds are same in their molecular formula: COCl3, 4NH3, COCl3 and 4NH3, and expressing similar ionization also. On ionization, the cobalt trichloride containing 6 ammonia molecules provides 3 Cl minus, containing 5 ammonia molecules provides 2 Cl minus, and 4 NH3 molecules expressing 1 Cl minus. Here, the primary valency of such compound is expressed 3 and primary valency of these compounds are -2 and -1 respectively. And secondary valencies are expressing variation, because on the basis of coordination compounds, on the basis of coordinate bond, ammonia molecules attached with the cobalt's d orbitals, that formation will be explained further. Secondary valency is different in all these as well as primary valencies also. Primary valency may differ like such one. Any problem? Another point, COCl3, 4NH3, COCl3, 4NH3. On ionization gives same ions, but their colors are different. One of these is green and another is violet. This is the Question: when both the compounds are same, then why expressing different color? जब दोनों कंपाउंड सेम हैं तो इनका कलर अलग अलग क्यों हो गया? बेटा बिल्कुल ठीक उसी प्रकार से इसके एग्जाम्पल कई सारे आपको पहले से मालूम है। जैसे C2H6O, इसको हम दो फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, CH3O CH3 and C2H5OH. One is the methoxymethane and another is the alcohol. 2 carbon 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Same molecular formula but different structure. They are called as isomers.
Yes, sir.
These both compounds are isomers. They are structural isomers of one another. Due to difference in their arrangements, their properties are different. In this year, that is in 2020, the topic isomerism is deleted, so I am not going in deep. Clear? And in short, I am explaining that both the compounds are isomers of one another, so expressing different colors. Same molecular formula, but different in their structures, different in their properties. Such compounds are called as isomers and such properties called as isomerism. All these points I have already explained, that the ions expressed outside of the central metal atom outside are called as counter ion.
Yes, sir. Counter ion.
Any problem? So it is summarized as in coordination compounds, metals show two type of linkage, that is valencies, primary and secondary. Second point, primary valencies are normally ionizable and are satisfied by negative ions. Third point, the secondary valency are non-ionizable. I have already explained such topic. And are non-ionizable, they are satisfied by the neutral molecules or negative ions. The secondary valency is equal to the coordination number and is fixed for a metal. एक मेटल के लिए secondary valency fixed होती है. आयन से या न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल से, जैसे अमोनिया एक न्यूट्रल मॉलिक्यूल है, Cn माइनस एक आयन है, जो भी पहले एग्जाम्पल में हमने लिखा था K4FeCl6 में, तो आयन से वो Cn माइनस आयन से सेटिस्फाइड था सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी, और यहाँ अमोनिया से सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी सेटिस्फाइड हो रहा है. फोर्थ, the ions are groups bounded by the secondary linkage to the metal have characteristic spatial arrangement corresponding to different coordination number. In modern formulation, such spatial arrangements are called coordination polyhedra. और ये जो मॉडर्न टर्म में हम इसी को कोऑर्डिनेशन पॉलीहेड्रा कहते हैं, जो स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट होता है. स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट को हम कोऑर्डिनेशन पॉलीहेड्रा के नाम से जानते हैं. Different compounds expressing their structures and coordination number on behalf of such one are given as. One of the example is given on page number 230 in your NCERT book. PdCl2 4NH3, PdCl2 NiCl2 6H2O, PtCl2 Cl4 2HCl, COCl3 4NH3, PtCl2 and 2NH3. The question is asked on the basis of following observation made with the aqueous solution, assign secondary valency to metal in the following compounds. इन सारे कंपाउंड में सेकेंडरी वैलेंसी आपको सर्च करना है. पीडी, और सब एग्जाम्पल आपको सॉल्व करके दे दिया गया है। पीडी में दोनों Cl और all the 4 ammonia molecules are attached with PD by coordinate bond, and such formation we would explain in our next topic next day, how these molecules are formed. Similarly, in NiCl2, 6 H2O molecules are attached. Only these 6 water molecules are attached with nickel by coordinate bond. So coordination number is 6. As I think so, the answer of such molecules will be clear when the formation of coordination compound will be explained, how the coordination compounds are formed, how the coordinate bonds are originating in coordination compound, and before it is typical for you, for all the students, that they will feel some problem. So, for explanation how the coordination compounds are formed, continue to attend my lecture. Thank you very much. See you again. Okay.